All right, so we're here at the Katie Johnson residence, and we are doing a repair attempt today. We've got one repair that we've already completed over here. We've turned in photos. You guys are requesting a video at this point. So I found we're on the back left slope here, which was fully approved by the insurance. So I'm gonna try to do a repair attempt right here on this shingle. I've outlined all the areas where the shingles could be affected. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and unseal these shingles. We've got all the shingles unsealed. So now we're going to remove the top row of nails. Shingles out, no damage at this point. We were able to pull the shingle out. No rips, little bit of material transfer, but nothing too bad. Pretty much where we're going to have the damage is right now when we go to put this in. Lifting these shingles to drive a flush fastener is probably going to crease them just like it did over here. So we're going to give it a shot. Also would like to note, the shingle does not match pretty much at all. Got more of a blackish teal color, whereas this is more of a reddish blue. Hey Sean, if you want to come get a little closer look here, you can just go all around it and kind of getting a good view. And I'll have some pictures of that as well after we're done. We'll go ahead and install this. you want to come closer here. That's all of our creases. Hello, sir. Okay.
He knew we were coming.
I'm gonna pause that. All right, sorry about that. We had a small interruption. But as you can see, shingles installed. We have some obvious creasing here. I don't want to touch it too much because, you know, but you can see, haven't touched anything yet. These are creased really bad. And it's only going to get worse with any heavy rains or anything. These granules are just sliding right off with just a soft brush of the finger, and they're coming right off. But yes, this roof is not repairable. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles damaged, as well as the shingle does not match at all. So unfortunately, repairs are not going to be feasible on this roof. And we'll get a close-up real quick of the creases here.